So far, we've learned about open strings, warm-up exercises, chords, and strumming. In today's lesson, we'll start learning about scales. Scales are an extremely important component of learning how to play almost any instrument. Scales will help develop your ear. Scales will help train your fingers to do what your brain tells them to do. Scales are used to create melodies. Scales are used to create riffs. Scales are used to create solos. And believe it or not, chords come from scales as well. The first kind of scale that we're going to discuss is a major scale. You may not know what a major scale is specifically, but you most likely know the sound of it. A major scale sounds like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Sound familiar? I thought so. That is what a major scale sounds like. The syllables do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do are called solfege. If you prefer, you can use numbers instead of solfege, and that would sound like this. Instead of do, re, mi, it would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. I prefer the solfege, so I'm going to stick to that. In this lesson, we're going to learn about and explore the C major scale. We'll learn the scale itself. We'll learn a few scale patterns or exercises to help you internalize the scale and enhance your technical facility with the ukulele. And we'll learn two melodies that are derived from the notes in the C major scale. We'll learn how to play the melody or the tune for the song When the Saints Go Marching In. And we will also learn the tune of Beethoven's Ode to Joy. Both songs are in the key of C major. When we say that a song is in the key of C major, what we're really saying is that for the most part, the notes used in the melody and the chord progressions are selected from the collection of notes in the C major scale. The reason that we start with the C major scale is because it is the least complicated in terms of music theory. We've spoken about the musical alphabet, and to refresh your memory, the musical alphabet, or the notes in music, are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, etc., etc. What we've not discussed so far are what we call accidentals, also known as sharps and flats. The best way to understand this concept is to take a look at the piano. The white keys are all the notes that I just discussed. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc., etc., etc. The black keys, or the accidentals, are sharps and flats. The black key to the right of C is called C sharp. The black key to the left of D is called D flat. D flat and C sharp are the same note with different names. Don't worry about why that is for now, just accept it as is. The sky is blue and D flat is the same as C sharp. The same goes for the next black key. The black key to the right of the D note is called D sharp, but the black key to the left of the E note is called E flat. They are the same note with two different names. This pattern continues as we go up through all the keys of the keyboard or the piano. There are a total of 12 notes in music. If you start at the C on the piano and play every key, including black keys, you will play 12 notes. C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, and B. The 13th note will be C again. The same sequence will then start again at this point. Don't worry if you're not fully grasping all of this right now. It's not essential information for you to actually play your instrument. I do urge you to come back later and revisit music theory at some point once you're more familiar with the physicality of playing the ukulele. So let's go ahead and look at the notes of the C major scale, and you'll see why we start with it. If we start at C and then play all the white keys in sequence until we get to the next C on the piano, it will sound like a C major scale, because it is a C major scale. And that sounds like this on the ukulele. In other words, the key of C major has no sharps or flats. no black keys. In terms of the ukulele, that doesn't really mean much to us, but in terms of the big picture of music, it's important to know. Let's take a look at the C major scale in your workbook. We are reading tablature again, so let's take a quick second to recap how to do that. Remember that there are 4 lines. Each line corresponds to a string of the ukulele. The top line is string number 1, the A string. The line below that represents string number 2, E. The line below that is string number 3, or C. And the bottom line is string number 4, G. The numbers written on the lines represent the frets that you will be pressing down with the left hand. Numbers written below those numbers indicate the left hand finger number that you will use to press down the frets written on the lines. Because we're not all that familiar with tablature or the C major scale, we're going to start by playing each note 4 times. Now let's play the C major scale. The first note is C. You'll notice that there is a 0 written on the second line from the bottom, indicating that we play string number 3 open, no frets. Each note is written 4 times in a row, meaning that you will pluck it 4 times with your right thumb. Here's the first note. See if you can play it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Nice. Moving on to the next note, D, or re. It says 2 this time, but it's on the same line, indicating that we're going to press down fret 2 on the same string and pluck that 4 times with the right thumb. Go ahead and put your finger on fret 2 of the 3rd string and play it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Excellent. The next 3 notes of the scale, E, F, and G, or if you're doing solfege, mi, fa, and sol, are all played on string number 2. The first note is open, E. The second note, F, or fa, is the first fret of the second string with the first finger, like this. And the note after that, G, or sol, from solfege, is on the 3rd fret with the 3rd finger. So 3rd fret of the second string with the 3rd finger is G. Remember, all 3 of these notes are on the 2nd string. We know that because they're written on the 2nd line from the top. Let's go ahead and play those together. 1, 2, here we go. F, and then G, fret 3. Great job. And the final 3 notes of the scale, la, ti, and do, are all written on the top line, indicating that they're played on string number 1. La, or A, is string number 1 open. B, or T, is played by fretting the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And finally, C, or the 2nd occurrence of do, is fretted on the 3rd fret of the 1st string with the ring finger, like this. Let's go ahead and try those 3 notes, each 4 times, starting with A, 1st string open. 1, 2, here we go. A. Fret 2, B, or T. And then fret 3, C, or do. Great. Now let's put it all together. We'll play the entire scale, repeating each note 4 times. We'll go in ascending order, followed by descending order, just like your workbook says. Don't worry if you can't keep up with me right now. You will have plenty of time to practice on your own. For now, just do your best. Remember, the journey is the destination. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, C major. Fret 2. Moving on to the next string. Fret 1. Fret 3. And then string 1 open. Fret 2, or B. And then fret 3. Okay, let's repeat that note. 3. Now we're descending. Fret 2, B. Open, A, or La. Next string, fret 3, fret 1, F, open, or E, and then fret 2 on the 3rd string, and then the final note, which is the same as the first note, Do. Let's try the C major scale one more time. This time we will go much slower, but we're going to play each note only one time, not 4 times. Do your best. If you can't keep up, it's okay. You have to practice anyway. Even if you can't keep up, you still have to practice. Here we go. C major scale, one time each, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And descending. In the workbook, I've also included a scale pattern or exercise for you to learn. The pattern starts on the first note of the scale, C or Do, and goes up 3 notes, Do, Re, Mi, and then back to the first note. Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do. Just like the workbook says. One more time. Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do. We then continue the sequence starting on the second note of the scale and continuing on to each individual note. I'm going to play the pattern for you right now. You're going to love it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, second line. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2. Third line descending. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. How did you do? I definitely expect that you'll need to practice that one and come back to play with me. For the final part of this lesson, let's learn the melody to the song When the Saints Go Marching In. I've also included the melody for Beethoven's Ode to Joy in the workbook for you to have a look at as well. The same concepts apply to both melodies, so if I teach you When the Saints Go Marching In, I feel confident that you will have the tools to learn Ode to Joy on your own. When the Saints Go Marching In consists of 16 measures, each measure lasting for 4 counts. We'll break the melody up into 4 sections of 4 measures each. I will play each section 2 times, and then I'll come back and play the entire song for you. Here's the first section 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. All right, that was section 1. Here's the second time. I don't know if you noticed, but the melody actually starts on count 2. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, start. Okay, section 1, second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, off. All right, and here's section 2. I'll play this 2 times. Section 2 also starts on count 2, so I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, play. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, off. All right, second time, line 2, on count 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, off. Still with me? I thought so. Okay, section 3, 2 times. Section 3 also starts on count 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do that again. I know it's kind of weird to break songs up like this, but it's a really good way of practicing and getting better. If you always start at the beginning of a song, what happens is you're very strong at the first line, and then you'll just get weaker and weaker as the song goes on. So if we break it up into sections and practice them individually, you'll get lots of benefits. It would be fantastic. Here's the second time of line 3, section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. And the fourth section, the final line. This one does not start on count 2. Any idea what count it starts on? Right, count 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. All right, section 4, one more time, starting on count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. And now I'll play the entire song for you slowly. See if you can play along with me. Maybe you can keep up, maybe you can't. Either way is okay. You can always go back and practice, and you should go back and practice. Here we go. When the Saints Go Marching In, melody in the key of C, complete, slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, third section 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, last line 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Great job. Don't worry if that wasn't easy. It's okay. Just make sure you practice a little bit every day if you can. 30 minutes does the trick, but the more the merrier. If you can't get to it every day, go for 3 days a week minimum. If you practice more, you get better faster, and you probably have more fun. Sounding good is definitely fun, but also enjoy the process. Don't worry about the destination. I'll see you at the next lesson.